Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Triza, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. In today's video, I will be going with you to the beach. It's one of the best beaches I have been to in Lomé. I will also give you a room tour of one of the rooms in this hotel. Please watch till the very end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy! There are plenty of seating spaces available at this hotel, and it's a very nice place to just come and chill with your family. There is also a swimming pool available. It's 2,000 CFA for adults and 1,500 CFA for the children. Apart from swimming, there are many other activities that you can do here. You can play football. There is a small football pitch like the one you see on the left, and you can also play volleyball at the beach.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.
I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Now let me give you a room tour. This is the entrance of the room, and when you just enter, there is a small makeup table and a small chair. There is also this big mirror that comes with the room. The room is AC'd, and on the right side of the entrance you have a TV. Also comes with this big wardrobe and 2 chairs. The room also has a very beautiful view of the hotel and the beach. I'll put the price of this room in the description box down below. The hotel offers different types of rooms, so each room has its own price. you see on the screen right now was recorded on a Monday. That's why the hotel looks quite deserted. Thank you so much guys for watching till the very end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're in Lomé and you're looking for a beach to go, I'll really recommend this beach to you. Thank you so much guys. Until the next one, bye.